All right, here we are, y'all. New round. Getting fanned off. It's a little warm out here. You see what I'm working with today? That's my caddy today. That's caddy of the day. 160 to the bunker right?
Yes.
Which club you think? Which one? Okay. Song? Okay. Song's a two. This is a great caddy. She knows what clubs to pick and everything. Cop Coon Cop.
Damn! I love you!
I can't make this shit up.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
Alright, you don't have to add. You have boyfriend?
No.
No boyfriend?
Yes.
King?
Chin.
No husband?
No husband.
How many kids you have?
One.
One baby?
Yes.
You want more baby?
No.
You don't want no more baby?
Yes.
Oh, okay, we gotta practice then.
No husband, no help.
Oh, you gotta have a husband for that. Okay, I understand.
Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Caddy of the Day. Today, I introduce you to a seasoned caddy. Pay attention to how she fans my face throughout this entire episode. The thing about caddies in their 30s and beyond is that experience takes over. At certain times of the year, it can be extremely hot in the Gulf Serengeti. Even though I'm not the best golfer in the world, she reassures me that I'm in good hands and everything will be okay. As I crank up these old arms and try my best not to land in the water, I know wherever I land, my caddy of the day is sure to find my balls. And look at this! If this caddy takes such good care of her customers, imagine how she treats the man who takes care of her. Fit, feminine, friendly, you know the drill. We'll get back to her, but for now, the Travel OG is hacking up the course. Shout out to Hackerish Golf.
Team Hackerish against Team Zoom. And we got my man from Zoom to Thailand.
Look at Richie Mark. You see me, you dig?
That's a good, man.
Thank you, brother.
Good.
That's the iPhone 14.
So it's a great. Oh, that's the 14.
Yes,
I have
sir,
the,
the
I have the
14.
13. All right. I know it. Oh, beautiful. Left side. Is he on the green? He might be. Yes. Zoom to Thailand. You dig?
Shout out to Hackerish Golf.
Oh, shoot. Right
That
towards
looks like
the
it's
hole.
on the
He's going
flag.
towards the hole. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Ralph.
I love you, brother, but there's nothing like having a beautiful caddy shoving you around the course with their cute little polyester outfits on. It doesn't get any better.
Sexy Sirantan. Hey. Just to let y'all know, they all like to toot it and booty. You dig? You say sexy brown Sinamtan? How do you say sexy brown Sinamtan? All right, you guys, I can't make this up, man. Like every hole, she's fanning me. I don't ask. She's fanning me. And she looks good doing it. Can't make this shit up.
If you've been looking for love in all the wrong places, why not try out for Golf Date? If you plan on visiting the Pattaya area, email us info@zoomtothailand.com. In the subject line, put Golf Date. After that, we will send you a questionnaire. And if you say yes to all, you may be qualified for Golf Date. Restrictions apply. Patreon members, we have a special edition of Golf Date for you as well. Back to my caddy of the day. Look how she gleefully trots towards me after raking the sand. She makes her way to the green to line up my ball while working in perfect sync with the other caddies. One takes the ball, the other takes the rake without a single word being spoken. Teddy misses the putt as my caddy drops it down to the floor. The way that thing bounces, the way she controls the bounce, makes me wonder. Actually, it makes us all wonder. Could she? Would she? Can she? Meanwhile, caddy of the day has figured out my line and the next putt. Now, it's simply up to me. Damn. I back away as if it's her fault. Back to business.
Golf date. So you single, right?
I single.
But do you want a boyfriend or do you want a husband? Tell us what you want.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna want you to go on a golf date. Can you say golf date?
Golf dick.
No, golf date.
Golf dick.
No, you saying dick. Dick, that's a bad word. Hey, stick it out there for y'all Patreon. You gotta say golf date.
Golf dick.
Close enough. We'll rock with that. They'll understand.
As the round winds down, the caddies maintain their beauty. Not even a speck of dirt on their polyester. Once again, my caddy dives into the abyss to find my ball.
Told her forget him. She found the daggone ball. Oh, Cobb, come on, Cobb. She's like a bloodhound. She found it. I'm gonna help you up, baby. I got you. I'm strong. I got you. I ain't gonna let nothing happen to you.
And for gratuitous reasons, here's Power Mouth again.
Power Mouth, tell him put it in the hole. Tell him put it in the hole.
Like in the No, in the hole.
No, in the hole, huh? He didn't get it in the hole.
Power.
She wants you to get it in the hole, brother.
Down to 40.
Okay, last hole.
Last hole. Beautiful. She take care of you. Look how I'm not asking her to do this shit, man. She just keeps me cool in a hot temperature. You know how to take care? You take care, man?
Yes.
Really? You cook? You know how to cook?
I cook.
Oh, you clean?
Yes.
You wash clothes?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's good. This is the new one, you guys. Golf date. Say it again. Say golf date.
Golf dick.
That's cute. I like the way you say that. This is what you want, guys. A woman that you don't have to tell her what you want. She just knows. You make Thai food?
Yes.
Thai food? Are you Thai or you Isan?
Thai.
Oh, you Thai. You make Thai food. So you're not pet mark like Isan. Isan pet mark.
ใช่ค่ะอีสานเผ็ดมาก
Yeah, you pet mark or you my pet? A pet
เผ็ดนิดหน่อย
Okay, yeah. See, Thais, they ain't as spicy with the food as the Isans. The Isan is pet mark. Pet mark means very hot. Pet means hot. So she say pet need no, that means pet a little bit. But she can do more than cook. I can tell you that. Wing, baby, wing. I call it wing. Wing means run. It's the last hole. It's the last look y'all gonna get at this today. You can just tell by the experience. That's the beautiful thing about the women that are of a certain age. They already got it in them. Oh! Caddy of the day, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the caddy of the day. This is the caddy of the day, you dig? Caddy of the day. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Caddy of the day. Y'all want to golf day? Here she is. This is the caddy of the day. What's your name?
My name ปุ้ย
Her name's Bowie. I can't give you a caddy number. I cannot give the caddy number. America go crazy. They go crazy, girl. They be trying to... Hey, don't do that. With my Fanny Caddy. I'm going to call her the Fanny Caddy. Your name is Fanny Caddy. You dig?
Golf date is just golf date. Golf date is just a golf date. Golf date is just a golf date. Golf date is just a golf date. Come on.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Oh! He loses the money, ladies and gentlemen.
I still went 20.
Wait, now look what happened. You would have let oh!
She gave me the same line.
Oh! What happened? What?
But that's okay. We still get.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.